Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1971 Chevrolet RS Z Camaro. This is a really nice car. If you have questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. But we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. Finished in black with white stripes. Brand new wheels and tires. Look great. It's got the small headlight for the RS. Just a really nice car. It is a true Z28 car. It is a true black car as well, out of the factory. So really nice car. Take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. Oh, nice and clean on the inside. 4-speed console, wood grain. Back seat looks great. Really nice car. All the doors look great on it. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished with a beautiful trunk mat. Underneath of that is xylitone that looks really good. All underneath the trunk mat looks good. Really clean. Shut the trunk here. This car was frame off restored. Frame off restored on this car. Really looks good. He's gonna start it up for me and we'll hear how it sounds. Got the tack in the dash, gauges, put it in, got it off here, put it up in gear. All the headliners in great shape. Just a really nice car. Car is covered in chrome. It really looks good. The underneath, about every nut and bolt has chrome on it. And I'm going to show you underneath this hood. It's powered by a 350 Chevrolet, power steering, power disc brakes. Just all kinds of chrome. Really looks good. Chrome hood hinges. Just an absolutely gorgeous car. I'm actually going to have Dad help me put the hood down because it takes both hands to put the hood down. I'll show you. Kind of ease it down and it shuts just like that. So if you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take this beautiful car on a test drive and see how it does. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page down at the bottom there. Helps us out a ton, and we can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to take this beautiful Camaro on a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1971 Chevrolet Camaro for a test drive and see how it does on this nice day here in Kentucky. Great day to be driving a hot rod. All right, here we go. just an excellent, smooth running car. We're gonna turn around. I hate to turn around so fast, but we are, and we're gonna, as we do every time, I'm gonna have Dad get on it just a little bit and see what this Camaro's made of. So,
Wesley, something 953 miles since the restoration.
Yep. Got a couple of cars coming here. As soon as they get out of the way, we'll be ready to go. All right, have them get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Camaro's made of. Car shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent driving car. It's got good power in the 350.
Yeah, great car to get in and drive. Look good. Win every show you go to.
Yep. Only thing you'll have to do with this car is just get a shelf to keep all your trophies on. So.
Put a gate up.
But we are almost back. Like I do every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. We're going to show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Show them the turn signals working there, Dad, real quick. Go ahead and show them the other side there. Okay. Show them that other side working there. There's the turn signals. Just wanted to show you that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions, 859-621-5572. Here's the underneath.